Hi friends, and welcome back to this channel. If you are watching this video right now, I will say congratulations because you have actually met one of the videos that is going to make you passive income. This is making money online with no investment, because this particular app I'm about to share to you can actually make you good money online with your consistency, because consistency and dedication is needed on this app. Once you are able to meet these two criteria, then making money online is sure for you. This will be one of the legit ways to make money online. This app that I'm about to reveal to you will actually be one of your best money making app. So watch till the end so that I will show you step-by-step guide on how to go about it. And at the end of this video, I am going to show you some incredible benefits of this application. So do well to stick around and watch to the end. So the first thing you need to do is that you are going to get registered. I will be leaving the link in the description of this video and in the pinned comment. So you will click on the link. It will take you to Google Play Store, and then you download the app. Once you download the app, come back to the link and then click on it. I know what I am saying, and I know the reason I am saying click the link to download, and then it takes you to this interface. Once it takes you to this interface, please do not do anything. Go back to this video and click on the link. Let the link direct you back to this place. The reason is because there is a whole lot of benefit if you do that. So now moving ahead, after doing that, then you put in your email, okay? You put in your email here. You know, this time around, I am not asking you to register with your Google account. As you all know me that I love, doing my registration using Google account for fast registration. But in this time, I am not asking you to do that. What you will do is that you will just click on this box here where the arrow is pointing to, and then you insert your email. Okay, you insert your email. To those of you that, because you are new here, it's going to show you create account. Okay, if you are not new, for the fact that I'm not new on this app, it's going to show me that I should enter my email, so I will log in directly. But for you, you are going to sign up. Okay, now I'm going to click my link, and then it will show me that this email already registered. Please log in. So I will click the login and then put in my password. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, I will put in my password and then it log me in directly. Okay, now once that is done, it takes you to this interface. This is the interface that is going to make you a whole lot of money. Now, what do I mean? Now, all this you're seeing here, they are challenge. You make money with this app, taking part in challenges, taking part in doing video, which is creating videos, and doing your necessary tasks, completing tasks, taking surveys also. Okay, so that is how you earn on this platform. And never mind, this platform is 100% legit. As you all know, as I have mentioned at first, no investment needed. Okay, and this app is an app that you use to showcase yourself. It's an app that you make people to get to know you more. Okay, so all this that you are seeing here, they are tasks that you need to complete. They are challenge that you need to complete. For instance, like this particular challenge here. Okay, now you click a particular challenge that you love to do, and then once you click on the challenge, remember each challenge has its own countdown time. Okay, let me bring this here. Now as you can see, this challenge is 14 days left for it to be completed. If you did not take part in it, you cannot take part on the challenge again. Okay, so now about the inclusion tale, that is the name of this challenge, inclusion tales. What are you supposed to do here? Now you're going to read the description of the challenge to take part in it. Okay, now let's click read more. Now this challenge is saying, do you believe in the world where everyone else belongs? Share a story, photo or video that shows how you have helped others feel valued and included. Your tale can spark change and bring us closer to the community where every voice matters. Please submit only original high quality photograph taken by you, selfies, AI generated images, screenshots, collages, or heavy edited low photo pictures, as well as plagiarized picture will not be considered. Okay, so if you take pictures that are of low quality, as you can see on the screen, low quality pictures. If you generate AI images, screenshots that are not well edited, that are, low quality, it is not going to be accepted here. Okay, so as you can see, this is the tags. Okay, you can read further as you can see on your screen. Now what are you supposed to do? You post a video or a photo. Okay, then skills inclusiveness, then the reward, the winner is entitled to receive $25. That is beautiful, guys. That's so beautiful. Then who can win? Okay, open to all, anybody can win. So what are they saying? You will just share your story that sparkles, stories that can, make people, bring back hope to people. Then you can share stories of how you have helped people. You can share some important stories about yourself, some important, things that have happened to you or have happened where you live in your society. It can be health, it can be your personal story, it can be something that you have witnessed, and then the story can sparkle people, the story can, bring changes to community. Just share something valuable. And a lot of people, almost everybody can do this. There are one or two things that have happened to you, something that's either a tragedy or something that is good that have happened to you that people can listen to and love. Stories that is captivating, stories that is touching, either a bad story, maybe it end in a tragic way or it end in a good way. As far as that story could, is lesson filled, that story could give a whole lot of people sense, that is a kind of thing. So, and they will love you to, snap images, okay, or you make a video. So if you are a shy type, you can snap image. For instance, if I want to partake in this challenge, I can share story about childbearing, okay? Put a video of a pregnant woman in labor and how the woman put to bed in the hospital. There are videos like that. I can put that video, and then after the video play, what do? I make commentary about it, filming myself, because I'm already a content creator. So this is not going to be hard for me at all. This kind of stories sparkles, this kind of stories, because it's a reality that happen every day by day. People are going to love it. If you have the highest like, if you have the highest comments, if people love your video, at the end of this challenge, you are not going to make anything less than $25. Okay, so let me play a video for you of people that has partake in this challenge. Okay, so let me play this. Okay, now as you can see, this person is not even playing any video. She just, posted a picture of herself and her friend, and then she make a comment on that. She said, friendship knows no boundary. I'm celebrating the incredible bond I share. This is it. So once you complete your task, okay, you click on partake. Okay, let's go back. Now if you want to complete this, then you just click this place, take part. Then you post your video and make comment about it. If it intrigue people, you earn at the end of the challenge. Okay, so it's very, very easy to earn on this platform. So now there are people that actually made videos and not just pictures. Okay, let me look for, okay, this person. Okay, this person actually made a video. Let's check her out. Listeners, hi Goodwall App. My name is Maria Marachi. Here again to discuss inclusion tales. Here is a short story about me. When I was in my primary school days, I was bullied. And you know what bullying means. I was very much bullied by my friends, those who I called my friends, because they thought I wasn't brilliant and they thought I can't read, I wasn't intelligent. Then one day, my God showed up. I prayed to my God. I begged him to help me out, to surprise my friends. He did. I scored first for the very first time in my life. And from there, my intelligence started. It's a very big pity that my friends weren't there to see it because my family relocated to a new house. So, they weren't there to see my success. They weren't there to see my upliftment. It's still good because I was happy that I have grown to build my self-esteem to the highest point. And I meant it. Even to my secondary school days, you can't bully me because I will stand up for myself. I never allowed anybody to belittle me or to make me feel less valued because I valued myself. I carried myself because God created me. And there is an instinct in me, there is a potential in me that God created that I need to feed to the world for the betterment of the world. Therefore, good wallers, let us stand up because one of these days we have created a lot of values to people. We have made people feel recognized. We have made people feel valued. We have made people feel that no, we shouldn't be. Now, as you can see, that is how she made her own video. And as you can see, she has a whole lot of likes. Okay, so you can make your video like that. Look at the woman here. Okay, let me call her a lady. So you can make your own videos like that, and then you talk about your fairy tales, you talk about, you know, things such as that, and then you submit your video or you submit your photo. Okay, so this is a whole lot of challenge here. Okay, so this is it. So this app is a very, 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 very good app. I'm going to take part in it, but I said, let me just share this with you guys. If you have watched to this point and you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel because I have more amazing videos to share with you guys in this channel. So guys, this app is so, so good. I love it and I'm going to take part in it. And trust me, I know myself that I am going to win a particular challenge. I'm going to take part in this challenge that I just shared with you, which is inclusion tales. And also, I'm going to take part in this Gen AI, okay? In fact, I'm going to take part in several challenges. So it is advisable that you take part in several challenges, okay? So that in case you didn't win one, at least one will click. If one didn't click, another will click, okay? So that is just it. And even though you did not win, at the end of the challenge, you can earn $2, you can earn $1, you can earn $3 just to compensate you for taking part in that challenge. And that is incredible, okay? So if there is any question, you can see all challenges here. You can see invisible heroes. You can see so many challenges here, okay? So you can actually invite your friends and then you earn more on this app, okay?
Let's be honest, not all of us have the knack for visual arts, but that should not limit our creativity. Well, this is where a text-to-image generator can help.
As you can see, that video I played just now is just a video about this particular challenge, which is AI Gen. Okay. Okay, I hope I get a challenge here. So it's about Gen AI. It's about AI. As you can see, this is a challenge here. Okay. So you can take part in it and it has 39 days left. So you can talk about AI. You can talk about the benefits of AI, how AI has impacted in you, how it has affected you positively or negatively. So you can say a whole lot about AI and then you get paid at the end of the challenge. This is vegetarian challenge. This challenge is for you to eat a particular food that contains vegetables and then you post. Okay, you get $1 for your post. Isn't that sweet? Your own is just to eat something that contains vegetable, something that contains, you know, good food. You are supposed to eat good food, right? You eat good food every day, so you eat good food and then you post and then you earn $1. Okay, that is amazing. Now $1 for every bag of trash. Okay, this is another challenge here. There's another challenge here. So as you can see, tired of seeing trash. Okay, I actually want to read this for you. Okay, tired of seeing trash everywhere. Join hash trash tag challenge powered by Accenture plus Circle. So you clean your environment. You make a video of you cleaning your environment and then you earn $1. You sweep in your house, right? So it is easy for you to make money on this particular app. So comment down below, give your opinion. Are you going to try it? What do you feel? And if there's anything you don't understand or there is anything I've failed to explain that you feel did not explain to your satisfaction, drop the opinion, drop your question in the comment section and now we'll be there live and direct to answer you. You can also join my WhatsApp group to have a direct communication with me, okay? So until I see you next time in my next video, do well to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that when valuable content such as this comes up, YouTube will not fail to notify you. See you in my next video. Bye.